Hello guys, this is Jonathan Steadman, and today guys I want to talk about Tor. And well guys may ask, what is Tor? Well, basically Tor is like a web browser that allows you to stay anonymous on the web, and that is quite useful for some people as they really do care about their privacy. And it has so much features in this Tor browser that actually does protect your privacy from trackers such as Google, Microsoft, or anything else that will try to track you. It tries to block them, and it's similar to a VPN, where it says that we're in a different location, such as France or Australia or America, even though we're nowhere near that countries. And it's mostly just to so that way people don't track you basically, and they think you can, so that way they think we're in a different country. So basically this is our website www.torproject.org. We can download Tor browser, which will keep it anonymous. The other advantage of using Tor is that it has way more websites than a normal web. And what I mean by that is that they have onion links. And what is onion links, you may ask? Well, basically onion links is basically websites that is hidden from the actual web browser that we normally use, such as Firefox, Chrome, or Opera, or whatever you use. It is all can't be accessed using these web browsers. We can only access it using a special software, and a special software that we're talking about is Tor. This is the only way that we can connect to the network. So this is Tor, short for Vanunuta, which is free and open source that will allow it to stay anonymous on the web. Okay. It was actually made by the military guy. So yeah, I think it was made by a military guy. Anyway guys, what I'll be doing is showing you guys the installation that I have done on my own PC. What guys can download to whatever system you're using, such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or even Android. Yeah, these are it's available. I think we can get on FreeBSD as well, but it doesn't show here for some reason. But you guys can always download it from here, or we can download it through the terminal or for the software manager like I did. We can download it basically wherever we want. For one thing that I'm going to go for this web page, because this one talks more about it. Okay, so block trackers, so that means it won't, so that way it'll block every tracker that tries to track you, such as Google. So a defense against people that is trying to watch your connection. So it's trying to block someone from knowing about you, such as a website that will visit and basically like to watch what we're doing, so that way they can get more information about you and show up more advertisements. Okay, so I don't quite understand what this is. I didn't read it yet. Resistant fingerprinting. It says over here, Tor browser aims to make all users look the same, making it difficult for you to use fingerprinted based on a browser and device information. Okay, I see. And there's also multi-layered encryption. So basically, I do think that traffic is encrypted then, so that way they find it very difficult to track you, and then browse freely, so you can do whatever you want without being tracked. You can just watch whatever videos you want. You can even go to 123movies.com and just watch like a free movie, like a free Spider-Man movie, without getting tracked by the FBI. So yeah, basically it allows you to do many things anonymously, and it allows you to go to special websites which can only be accessed through the onion links. So I will show you an example. So this is an onion link, right? So we just need to copy this, and then on the normal web browser we can try to do this, and then that won't work. Actually no, because I forgot to put down the onion. Hold on. So if I try to copy this open link, then we can't access it. Do you know why we can't access it? Because we need to be on a Tor special software, special web browser. So to do this, what you guys need to do is open up Tor, and once I have it installed, it's very easy to install, by the way, guys. It's just gonna be very quick. Once I have it installed, it's gonna set up everything. So once I have it installed, we should be able to open it, and then from there we can be able to connect to the Tor network. And then from there we can just go to whatever website we want to go to. So right now it's going to go and connect to the actual software. Good, nice, opened up. Now click onto this connect button. There's some settings that we could go to, but always connect automatically. So go to continue, and now it's going to connect to the Tor network. And what you guys can do now is access this website. It may sometimes take a while to access, and that's just because there's a lot of websites on the Tor network. Actually, it was pretty fast than last time. Okay, so it should be done any minute now, and this is what Experience it to is this onion link that we were unable to connect to over here. Okay, so what I want to talk about is why would you want to use Tor? Well, I already talked about that, but what sort of people would use Tor? And I would say that people who care about privacy is one. For FBI, for people who wants to, for good guys who want to hide some of their information. Thirdly would be hospitals, and third for all banking. Banks uses for onions. Banks uses Tor. So there's so many advantages to using Tor. But the major disadvantage of Tor is because some people think that they will never get caught, but they always do anyway. But anyway, guys, so some people think they can't get caught on the dark web, and they just hide through the Tor network, and they do illegal stuff. I'm not going to talk about these illegal stuff. You can do that on more free time. I don't want to get demonetized, but yeah, there are some illegal stuff on the onion links. Anyway, guys, we can download this. It is open source, so we can do whatever we want with the source code, basically. We can donate to them if we want to. I don't know if they allow Bitcoin now, which we'll be talking about in the next episode. Yeah, we can donate in cryptocurrency. We'll be talking about that next. And yeah, so this is Tor. We can go to their blog. Do they have like a forums or something like that where people could ask for help? Well, they do have community here, so you can go. They have support, so they'll probably have a very big community, don't they? We can go to support. We can go to blog, so we can find out about new updates and so on. Would I recommend Tor? Maybe. It really depends on what type of user you are, really. If you are really want to stay anonymous, then yes, you can use Tor. It is a great web browser. Just don't do anything illegal on here. So yeah. Anyway, guys, what I'll be doing right now is ending this video because I think I talked a lot about Tor today. And you guys can learn more about it on a Wikipedia page if you wanted to. So if you want to go to Wikipedia, then this is where we can find out more about Tor. Wikipedia Tor, and then we can just find out more about it. Is Tor illegal? Nope, it ain't. It's not illegal. Okay, so this is where we'll be able to find out more information about it, and such as the history and so on. Here's another one for BSD. Okay. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, guys, I'll see you all next time. Bye.